Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to be making Uziza soup. This soup is so rich, comforting and perfect with pounded yam, fufu or oat swallow. So let's start cooking. Firstly, we're going to cook our meat of choice. I'm using beef and I'm also using some boneless cow feet. Now you're just going to go in with your seasoning of choice. For me, I'm going to use some pepper and I'm also going to go in with some salt. I also went in with my stockfish and my dried fish because they're quite hard, so I have to start cooking it early. Then I went in with seasoning cubes. Then we're going to give that a stir. Okay, stir it properly, making sure that all the spices gets all over the meat and the fish. Then you're gonna cover the pot and let that cook for a few minutes until it has brought out some stock. So while that is cooking, you're just going to go ahead and boil your cocoyam, that is your ede. You're going to cook it until it's very soft. Now the meat is cooked a little bit. I'm now going to go in with enough water to continue cooking it until they're all soft or as soft as I want it to be. Then I'm just gonna give this a stir and cover the pot. While that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my Uziza leaves. So this is how Uziza leaves look. You're just going to peel it and then you're going to wash it thoroughly, and then you're going to slice it and keep it aside for use later. Now back to our cocoyam. It's cooked. I'm just going to break out and then I'm going to blend it for use later. Now my meat is as soft as I want it to be. I'm just going to go ahead and put in my ogiri. This is the ogiri that we used for, this type of soup. I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm also going to go in with my crayfish, and then I'm gonna go in with Uziza seeds. It's also important to cook this soup with Uziza seeds. So I grinded some and then I added it in, and then some crayfish and salt, and then after that I'm going to go in with seasoning cubes. You add your seasoning cubes and then you're just gonna go in with your palm oil. Now after that I'm going to give it a stir it completely, and then you're going to cover the pot and let it cook together until the palm oil has lost some of its sour taste. Now after 7 minutes I'm going to go in with my thickener. I'm using cocoyam like I showed you earlier. I'm just gonna add it in, and then I'm going to stir that gently. Okay, you stir it gently and then you cover and cook until the soup thickens to your liking. Finally, we're going to add the sliced Uziza leaves. Okay, you're gonna add it in and then you're going to stir the soup. After stirring, you're gonna let the soup simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Don't overcook the soup, okay, so that they stay fresh and aromatic. This soup is so rich and so comforting. It's perfect for any swallow of choice. You can even serve it with oat swallow as well, or pounded yam or fufu. And then it's so bold, peppery, and full of traditional Nigerian goodness. And this is it finally. I'm just gonna give it a final stir, and then I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it cool down a bit. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, and tell me in the comments what other Nigerian soup you love to see next.